Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member in Notion. Whether you're managing team changes or simply need to adjust your workspace permissions, removing members properly ensures your workspace stays organized and secure. First, open Notion and navigate to the workspace you want to manage. Once you're in the correct workspace, direct your attention to the left side bar where you'll find your navigation options. At the bottom of this sidebar, you'll see the Settings option. Click on it to access your workspace configuration settings. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your Notion workspace, including member permissions and access. Within the Settings menu, look for the Workspace section. Here you'll find several options for managing your workspace environment. Click on People, which is the hub for all member-related management. This section gives you complete control over who has access to your workspace and what permissions they hold. Once you're in the People section, navigate to the Members tab. This tab displays a comprehensive list of everyone who currently has access to your workspace. You'll see various details about each member, including their roles and permissions, making it easy to identify who you need to manage. Now, locate the member you want to remove from your workspace. In the Role column, you'll notice a toggle list that corresponds to each member. Click on the toggle list for the specific member you wish to remove. This action will open a menu with various options for managing that particular member's access and permissions. From the menu that appears, click on Remove from Workspace. This initiates the removal process. Depending on your workspace plan, you may be prompted to choose a reason for removing the member. If this step appears, select an appropriate reason from the options provided and click Continue. This information helps Notion improve their service and may be used for administrative purposes within your workspace. Finally, you'll need to confirm the removal by clicking Continue one more time. This final confirmation ensures that members aren't accidentally removed from your workspace, protecting your team structure from unintended changes. And that's it. The member has been successfully removed from your Notion workspace, and they will no longer have access to any of the pages or databases within it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.